Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, look at this. The Bitcoin price is breaking out right here and even confirmed the breakout. And the question right now is this a legit confirmed breakout for Bitcoin? And can we say right now that with a high degree of certainty, we are going up all the way here to this crazy price target? I want to show you this chart here, which has some warning signs also included for Bitcoin. But the most important thing, guys, do you remember the video I posted 4 months ago when Bitcoin was at 11,000 US dollars? I was calling right here for the all-time high for the remainder of 2020 in this year. Right now you can see we got the breakout here exactly as predicted, and Bitcoin is right now so close to the all-time high. Are we going to hit the all-time high according to my prediction from 4 months ago? Well, this is exactly what I want to be talking about today. I will be showing you my trades on Bybit, 140,000 US dollars in a profit. My other trade on Phemex, 200,000 US dollars in a profit. And also my most recent trade here on Phemex, 70,000 US dollars in profit. And last night I took more profits here, 50,000 US dollars in realized profit. Why did I take these profits? What price targets I am looking out for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? Guys, watch this video until the very end because this will be truly a very, very jam-packed one. Make sure you sit down, you scroll down, you smash up the like button to a new all-time high. If you want Bitcoin to reach an all-time high in this year, make sure you smash it up right now. Also press the subscription button, press the bell, and here, press on all to get all the notifications when I am releasing the next video. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, the Bitcoin price broke out here out of this, it seems like a symmetrical triangle. And the question is, will we get follow through? Guys, for this specific video, I really want to urge you to watch it until the end because I have jam-packed things here. I will pull out a chart I was actually calling for in August 2020 at the price levels of 11,000, where I was talking about the all-time high, where I was calling for it here in this year. So I want to talk about all of these things. I want to talk about my trades and much, much more. Today it is very important to stick here until the very end. I will promise you, this is my promise now, hands down, it will be worth it. Now I want to talk here about this symmetrical triangle. And as you probably remember, yesterday I was talking about this diamond pattern evolving. And I want to talk about why what happened here is actually not so uncommon for Bitcoin. I will go here directly into the charts here on the pattern side and show you that this is a very, very, very normal thing here to happen after a diamond pattern. I want to talk about that later on. First of all, here it seems like that the more accurate way to draw it would be actually this symmetrical triangle with the wicks here on the upside and downside, because not only that it broke out, we also confirmed the breakout here. And you do know how much we like confirmed breakouts at the MMCrypto community. What I found to be completely mind-blowing here is that once again Bitcoin did put in a higher low, and you do remember how important it is for me for Bitcoin to remain in the higher low status here, to remain in the bullish trend. And this is completely crazy. If we were to zoom out a little bit, you remember that I always told you I remain bullish as long as Bitcoin is consecutively putting in higher lows for Bitcoin. This is the only reason why I am still in all of my trades. I took some more profits on one of them, but all my other trades are still open. Only because we are in this bullish trend, and the trend is your friend until the end. So far, we did put in a new higher low. Here we did put in a new higher low at this confirmation here. And so far it seems like Bitcoin can go up and reach our next bullish price target among the 18,900 US dollar price levels. And the most astonishing thing out of that is, of course, to reach this price level, we have to reach not only the previous high, we will come 3% or so close to the previous all-time high. And zooming out here, this is not a very unrealistic scenario anymore. As long as we are knocking out the previous high, this is a very, very achievable target as long as we are closing an hourly candle above. But I want to talk about much more things, because there is a very small bearish flip side here, but I have good news for you, because whenever we have a diamond pattern which is breaking out towards the downside, then towards the upside, and then going down, this usually in classical technical analysis, I'm going here over to the Bulkovsky pattern side. You can see we are going down, wiping out the longs, we are going up, wiping out the shorts, and then we are going down. So just from a classical technical point of view, these diamond patterns, they are coming on the top. This is a diamond top, a trend reversal pattern, and they just wipe out everything. They wipe out the longs, they wipe out the shorts, and then eventually go down and change the trend. So far, it seems like Bitcoin is not doing that. As you can see here, Bitcoin is going up. As you can see here, Bitcoin was going up, going down, and now we are continuing this uptrend. So of course, it remains to see here. As long as we are not getting a severe rejection here, I would actually say that this is not coming into place. If there is a severe rejection, we have to be very cautious here, because this could still be the diamond pattern I was actually talking about yesterday. I want to see Bitcoin breaching the previous highs here to reach the $18,900 price target I am actually quoting here. But I want to show you something which is completely crazy. It is actually something I was talking about in August 2020 here, just a few months back, like 4 months back. I was talking about the famous Wyckoff accumulation pattern. As you remember, I was actually already starting to talk about that way before here, because we have this phase A, phase B, phase C, which I called the Corona phase, phase D, and phase E, which is the final stage. And these bearish accumulation patterns, according to Wyckoff here, they are usually throughout the whole bear trend, and breaking the neckline actually confirms the parabolic rise towards the upside. I was talking about that already way back here before the breakout, and I was talking about that we might reach the all-time high rather sooner than later, even in this year. And you know what, guys? I want to go over here and show you this little clip here from 4 months ago. Look at this clip. You can see after the zigzag pattern, Bitcoin is just breaking out, knocking out all the previous highs we had here for Bitcoin. You can see it. We actually have here a perfect Wyckoff accumulation mirror. And what does it mean for Bitcoin? Well, usually going onto the weekly candles, this should mean that we are knocking out the all-time high rather sooner than later. With the highest likelihood, we will see a bullish remainder of the year 2020. And I actually think that we can breach the all-time high within this year. I don't think this is all too unlikely, guys. Call me crazy, call me a moon boy. We can talk towards the end of the year again. If I was wrong, I will say I was wrong. This is exactly what I'm expecting right now. And as you can see here in phase E, in the final stage, we are actually breaking out. And right now we are so close to the all-time high. Back then, people didn't believe me. People were laughing at me. But I told you that the similarities between this pattern here, and let me go over to the textbook. This is the textbook. This is the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, are so severe, which this year, the selling climax, another secondary test, then you have the low in the C phase, and then you have this bullish accumulation zigzag pattern before we are going into phase E and eventually breaking out. The exact same thing is happening here in the Bitcoin charts. I was calling for this breakout, and I was calling for Bitcoin to go parabolic here, close to the all-time high, actually even to the all-time high in this year, with this bullish remainder of 2020. And well, now guys, you can see this is actually exactly what happened. And the question is, what is the price target for that? What can we expect here for the price target out of this bearish Wyckoff accumulation trend reversal breakout? Well, I want to talk about that, and I want to pull out a measured move price target, which is, I talked about the 18,900 before, even more bullish. And I just want to remind you guys, please, it is very, very important that we are breaking the previous 18,495 US dollar level, the one we actually put in a few days ago. It is this one here, because if we are getting rejected now, this would be a double top. You could even draw an M pattern, and also this diamond pattern, which I might mention here before with this fake outs here, could come into fruition. So we need this confirmation here. But as long as we are getting it, I want to talk about the price targets here. According to the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, I was actually calling for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months here, even before the breakout. So if we were to pull out this here, usually you can go here from the low of the Corona dump to the neckline, and then you have to decide, should I take this neckline? Should I take this one? We have two different scenarios. If you were to take this neckline, this is the least bullish neckline you could take, and you measure it from there to there, and you take this as the breakout with the confirmation, then we would have already hit our price target. If you, however, take, and this is the price target I actually used also back then in the video many months ago, from the bottom to the top, then you can see why 4 months ago I was talking about the all-time high, why I was calling for a bullish remainder of 2020 and also for us to hit the all-time high. Look at this. The Bitcoin price would only have to go a 1,000, 2,000, less than 2,000 US dollar higher, approximately to this price target, which is in perfect alignment with the previous all-time high. And I mean, we were talking about it right here, and look where we are right now. It is not that unrealistic anymore. Of course, we have to break the 18,500, but look at this. I mean, guys, everyone in the MMCrypto community, big shout out to you. Congratulations. I know how hard it is during bearish times back in the days when everyone is against you, when everyone is bearish on Bitcoin, to remain bullish. But this is why we are in the MMCrypto community. We remain bullish as long as the trend is our friend. And of course, it is just a very smart thing to remain bullish once we are getting all of these signals which we actually spotted at the MMCrypto community. So this is the 20,200 US dollar level, and the most beautiful thing about that is, remember here the 20,300, 20,200 US dollar level. If I were to go over to the 4-hourly candles, and guys, this is completely crazy, and I pull out the Fibonacci retracement level I was actually talking about in many videos also with DaVinci J15, then you can see, and this is the craziest thing, guys, that this level from the wick of accumulation pattern is in perfect alignment here with the 20,360 US dollar level. Is that crazy? We are always looking for these levels of confluence, and now it seems like this confluence is coming into fruition. Let's wait and see. You remember, we need to knock out the previous 18,500 US dollar yearly high, but once we are doing that, I actually think this is a very achievable target. I'm saying it right now while everyone is bullish, but I also said it right back then 4 or 5 months ago when not everyone was bullish, and now we are very close. Let's wait and see what happens here. I obviously also want to be talking about my trades, but I want to urge everyone here, guys, I want to talk about my price targets, my expectations, what I am doing with my trades, and why I took some profits here also recently. Before I'm doing that, scroll down, and please, guys, if you didn't do it, take 1 second of your day, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, 7,000 likes. If you want Bitcoin to also reach the all-time high, smash it up right now. Press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all to get notified for all our videos. But now I want to go here directly into my trades. This is my trade over on Bybit, 140,000 US dollars in profit. And this trade here, actually, I only took one-time profits, approximately 60,000-70,000 US dollars, 3 Bitcoin, 3 point something Bitcoin, I don't know anymore, like approximately that. So in total, realized, unrealized, 200,000 US dollars in profit over at that trade. Here I am going to take profits very soon, but the one where I am taking profits rather sooner than later, and where I took profits 2 times already, is this rate here over on Femex. You can see it right here. I opened it at 15,400 US dollars, and as you can see, my unrealized profit and loss is 70,000. It is lower than in the video yesterday, and the reason for that is that if you go over to the realized profit and loss, I took already 50% of my profits, approximately 2.8 Bitcoin here, 50,000, 51,000 US dollars I took in profit. I am letting the rest rise to more towards the upside, because, guys, the higher we go, the more we have to scale out, because the higher we go, the higher the inherent risk is. And this is the reason why I am going this strategy. I took $60,000 profit on Bybit, $50,000 over here is 110, then another 190,000 US dollars on Femex, even more now with the Bitcoin price rise here. So in total, I already took approximately 300,000 US dollars in profit. The rest I am letting rise towards the upside, 70,000 US dollars on the Femex trade and 140,000 US dollars on the Bybit trade. I have another trade over on Bybit. As you remember, this is the trade right here over there, and this trade is right now 200,000 US dollars in a profit. So overall, approximately 410,000 US dollars in a profit and 300,000 US dollars realized. Let me know what you think about that down below. Leave your thoughts and also your profits in the comment section down below. I will be talking about my next potential trade as well, but please do remember, if you are standing here on the sidelines, don't rush into trades like crazy. But if you want to be putting in your next trade at the next trading opportunity, scroll down here to the pinned comment. I have 610 US dollars for a limited time only for you here in the pinned comment down below. So if you click the Bybit link, you can get 610 US dollars with our link here in the pinned comment. This is basically the highest bonus on Holy Crypto YouTube. If you put in this bonus code here at the rewards hub with our deposit, with your deposit schedule, you get $610 for free. This, if you only take the bonus and you don't touch your own money, 600 US dollars at a 30x leverage. This is an 18,000 US dollar trade completely for free, and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well from the exchange. So use the link in the pinned comment down below. And of course, guys, I am looking out here for the next price targets, but we have to breach this one here. And you remember the next trade, the next definite trade I am going to put in is on the weekly candles. If you're going over to the weekly candles, because many people are asking me and you are pulling out the weekly 21 week EMA, then you can basically see this trade would be put in approximately, if we were to go down now, 12,300, but approximately at that point of time, I will be probably trading the bounce from the 21 EMA, which will be among, I'm just guessing here, we have to wait and see when it will happen, among the 14,000 US dollar levels. I will be trading the bounce from the 21 week EMA, but as you see, we still have some more upwards momentum, but we have to take care that once we are breaking here this parabolic move, the parabolic curve I was actually talking about for the last couple of days here. Once we are breaking it, we will be cautious. I will be scaling out even more out of my trades, but so far so good. Yeah, it is going well here for Bitcoin. Let me know what you think about that down below. Smash up the like button. Make sure you keep an eye on the Dow Jones, of course, and also you follow me at ChrisMMCrypto here on Instagram with the verification checkmark. Very important. I have a lot of impersonators over there. You see a lot of nice photos with Nusret in Dubai and so on, with our meetup here, with our lovely crypto community, photos with DaVinci J15. So follow me over there. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, bye bye.